Did you know vertical gardens can produce up to 20% more oxygen than traditional gardens? This remarkable benefit is just one of the many reasons why vertical gardening is gaining popularity, especially in urban areas where space is at a premium. Vertical gardens, also known as living walls or green walls, offer a space-saving, visually appealing, and environmentally beneficial way to bring greenery into small spaces. Here's how you can make the most of vertical gardens and why they might be the perfect solution for your small space. Choosing the right plants. Selecting appropriate plants is crucial for a successful vertical garden. Consider plants that are well suited for vertical growth and have similar light and water requirements. Some popular choices include ferns. Hardy and easy to maintain, ferns thrive in vertical gardens. Herbs. Basil, thyme, and mint can be grown vertically and provide fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Succulents. These are low maintenance and perfect for vertical gardens due to their shallow root systems. Creating the structure. There are various ways to create the structure for your vertical garden. You can purchase ready-made vertical garden systems, which often include pockets or modules for planting. Alternatively, DIY options such as repurposing pallets, using trellises, or constructing your own frame with materials like wood and wire mesh can be both cost-effective and customizable. Ensuring proper irrigation. Vertical gardens require efficient irrigation systems to ensure that water reaches all plants evenly. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used as they can be easily installed and provide a steady supply of water directly to the roots. Additionally, incorporating a drainage system is essential to prevent waterlogging and ensure excess water is properly channeled away. Regular pruning. To keep your vertical garden healthy and thriving, regular pruning is necessary. Remove dead or overgrown foliage to encourage new growth and maintain the overall aesthetics of the garden. Fertilization. Just like traditional gardens, vertical gardens require nutrients. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer to ensure your plants receive the necessary nutrients for growth. Monitoring pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases that can affect your vertical garden. Early detection and treatment are crucial to prevent the spread and ensure the health of your plants. Integrating vertical gardens indoors. Vertical gardens can thrive indoors, bringing a touch of nature to your home decor. To successfully integrate vertical gardens inside your home, select a spot that receives adequate natural light, such as near a window. If natural light is limited, consider using grow lights to ensure your plants receive sufficient illumination. Suitable indoor plants include pothos, spider plants, and philodendrons, which adapt well to indoor conditions. For indoor vertical gardens, an efficient watering system is essential to prevent water damage to walls and floors. Self-watering planters or drip irrigation systems can help manage moisture levels effectively. Additionally, regular maintenance is crucial. Dust the leaves periodically, monitor soil moisture, and adjust watering based on plant requirements and indoor humidity levels. Using decorative frames or modular systems can enhance the aesthetics of your indoor vertical garden, creating a visually appealing focal point in your home. Vertical gardens offer a practical and beautiful solution for small spaces, bringing numerous environmental and aesthetic benefits. By maximizing space, improving air quality, and providing thermal insulation, they create healthier and more enjoyable living environments. With the right plants, structure, and maintenance, you can enjoy the lush greenery and serenity of a garden even in the most confined spaces. So why not transform your small space into a verdant oasis with a vertical garden today? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.